Hello.
That guy, that's my sister. And right now, oh my God, we just get out. We receive heavy rain. Even you can see right here, our chicken are struggling because of the heavy rain. Let me check Bruno. Oh my God, Bruno, nowadays you're in a good condition. When it's raining, you go. When it's raining, you go that way. This is Bruno for you. There is a day, guys. I don't know. Me, before I name my dog Bruno, and there is one of my subscriber, all the way from US, name my dog Bruno. And actually, I met one of my friend by the name Robbie David, and I realized he has a brother by the name Bruno. So there is one of my subscriber. They get like, he really disappointed. I don't know, maybe he or she, they are really disappointed about my dog's name and my friend's brother's name. Anyway, may have no problem. If you wish to change my name, please, you can maybe advise me on the comment section, and also maybe you comment on the comment section. Also, my subscriber who give the name of my dog, she can able to see, and then you know, discussion starts from there. But I just go outside. Leta nyundo. Huh? Yo maji haya kuingia ndani. When it's raining, man. My mom's house, it's really leaking. Look, even this hen here is struggling. Look. Huh? Oh my God. The whole rain, it's, you know. No, what's up? The whole rain, it's attack this hen plus chicks. Look. Huh? You see? There's some chicks inside here. You see? So guys, oh my God, look, water is running. Things have been, you know, oh. Even my looter, hey, it's something else. I don't know how we call it, this one. Oh my God, look. Huh? Yeah. I don't know whether my looter it will work, but from where? Oh, okay. Let's be the way it is. Let's be the way it is. Before we go down, look how things fall down. Anyway, it's getting evening. Under these videos, I will join it with another vlog. Look, there's some trees here, right here. Hey, even I was I'm thinking to cut these trees down. This one. Because of this house. And actually, I want to show you how God protects my home, or protect my mom's home. This trees, it's giving us some headache. You know, the way I cut by using power, so it's fall on this side, and my neighbor, he have already planted some maize here. So God answer my prayer. Heavy rain plus wind, it's pushed this the branches to other side. Look, right there, it's go that way, and then you see them there. And I probably, guys, I'm really disappointed. I don't know what's going on my toilet. I see the big trees also, it's fall on hey, it's fall on the toilet. Hey. Whew. Me, I have no idea. Honest, guys, I have no idea. I'm telling you, today it's a crazy rain in our village. Even I don't know where I'm going to start from. It's cracked my toilets. Hey. God, I don't know where I'm going to start from. But are you, God? You are my solution. You are my answer. Look, things have been fall down. Hey, right here. I don't know what can I say, but it's break everything on this side. Huh? And I was thinking, guys, to cut these trees all down, all of them down. Yeah, go tiratan. Whew. So guys, I'm still waiting when it reach the season period, or maybe harvesting. I think harvest season. I'll start cutting these trees down. I'm not good in our compound. Yeah. What a miracle. What a miracle. Asa hapa tena. Takuji bidi ni hey. Oh my god. Kaka. Hey. You see guys, it's break everything down here. Look at this. Ukitoro ndashinda tumufunda ruchapi. Batori bigai. Naga isabiru nego mukabor ne kana ngikivi kote mukiva. Ke kuri choka. Mukama gonu mulito. Ngikenge giro. Amemba kapaka sama hindi. Kono. Kono. Pambe kana tebaka. Lazima bagatem. Paniti insiri. Kera kakuye. Kero na hapo ya. Awo kingore ko kega kya kiziga. Ugo kuye ha. Ata na no bwasi ko ngora ali rai ne yinga. Hata kwa ntoro kote amasa kokengwe taramangora akwiri nyumba mago botoke hara kobuna So guys, I'm taking you outside, and yesterday heavy rain hit my home like crazy, and things are not okay on this side here. Let's see, you know, even right now I want to see the sign of rain outside. I don't know. So anyway, for sure, I go around looking the guy for the power saw, probably to cut these trees down. Man, I'm really disappointed. You know, all of these things that you see here, it gets broken. Like these trees, it's by God's grace. It wanna maybe hit my house like crazy, but it's fall on this side here, as you can see, guys. You know, look by yourself. No internet, no nothing. Look, there's some trees here. This one right here, it's fall from this side. But yesterday I showed you in the evening time, so I'm trying to, you know, continuation of the videos. Man, this is crazy. You see, on the other side, that's where it gets broken and then fall to other side. God protect my house. If it could fall on my house that I'm living right now, man, I could sleep outside. Even right now, it's gonna start raining. Yesterday, it started like that. Windy, and then a lot of, rain come. I'm telling you, these are serious. It hits even our toilet right here. Today, no excuse. I go since morning looking that guy to come and cut these trees. So, my subscriber, these are serious issues. Imagine windy, it's broke these trees from here, even not here, like other side. We wanna say maybe on upper side, it's very weak. On the stem, man, look, it's break everything. Look by yourself, it's break everything. And then it's by God's grace, it hits on this side. What if it could hit on this side here? All of this toilet could be fall down because it came with a lot of force. So I'm trying my best because I went with to the guy home, but I didn't find him. Maybe by tomorrow I should do these things, cutting, and then I'll start splitting some firewood. Let me go inside, man. Let me go inside. Whew. First, before I go, oh my God, I see my sister here. She wanna come and say hello. Oh, she went to other side. So guys, there's no need to access to other side. I don't know if maybe you can see from this side here. Look, leaves everywhere. And the crazy thing is, be honest, yesterday I was, taking shower inside here, like bathing, and then at that duration of maybe rain is coming, people are running helter-skelter here and there, right, left, center. May I just fetch water from the borehole, put here. The moment I start 1, 2, 3, the rain, whoa, may I think it's a normal rain, but sister, come you say hello. But me, I think it's a normal rain. I still, taking shower, like bathing in a local way. So thunderstorm here, heavy windy, hailstones, right, left, center. Even you have been watching on some other content creator, they shows you. Say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I'm fine.
How was your school? Viatu ziko wapi?
Nyumbani.
Vipi shule?
Vizuri.
Umesoma? Mana una viatu. Your shoes is very dirty. Why do you be like that? You need to be very clean. I want to tell uniform. Oh, you don't know nyesha. So I'm asking you should wear clean shoes. She told me, I see it's on a rain and then I have some shoes, leather shoes. So guys, I was bathing inside there, and then I heard on the iron sheet like woo, boo. Me, I think it's maybe firewood fall on top of that iron sheet. But the crazy thing is, I just get out and do like this. My friend, I found those leaves there. I think maybe it's some little branches. When I see on this side here, no trees. When I came outside when it's raining, man, I feel like I should cry. So it is what it is, and it's hit on this side here. I don't know what can I do. Look, this some broken piece of the tiles, man. Look by yourself. Here, there, it's a lot. Even I don't know whether this wall it's creates something what we call a crack. I don't know for sure. Look guys, look, my people, look, even to, oh my God. And it's pushed me to put the whole tiles from this side here. Look, from here up to here, inside here, right here, up to this one. I'll put new one, man. This is something crazy. And imagine guys, I struggled to build this toilet and I don't know where this Satan came from. It hits my toilet. Woo. So guys, this is not an AI, this is the real story at real time. and I'm trying to show you even no internet at my home. So I don't know how I'm going, like how am I going to survive, but I'm a human being. I'll be remaining more strong. So that one I will see whether the day when I should, you know, work on it, fixing new tiles on another side. Even inside I don't know how things looks like, but I just see the way it is outside. And yeah, so far so good. Right now as we speak, right now, guys, it's simply because you know, this platform, it came in our village and you know, unite people, or maybe at the same time it creates what we call how am I going to say this, oh my god, it's create enemy, you know. So like yesterday at night, one of our villager, he lost his life, and maybe you see some other people, you know, creating videos. It's the real story. So sometime me, I just, you know, be me, you know. I don't want to associate with many people's here. Even I see one of my subscriber, I think he was Kenyan, the one who abused me, like, hello baby, that's the reason why you get out of Dave Junior's place, or maybe position, and then I didn't see you with many YouTubers. You are disappear, like you try to be alone. Yeah, it's good to be alone, and sometimes to avoid, you know, too much problem with people, you know. Sometimes me, my work is when you give me some job, like, hey, hello baby, can you maybe take these passengers from one point to another point? That's my work, and then I get some little cash. So the way I save that money until, you know, I do some 1, 2, 3. Even right now here, I'm thinking to find that, yeah, by tomorrow morning I'll bring that guy of the power so to cut this like into small pieces, and then I'll start splitting firewood. That one I can't split timbers, guys. I know most of you will advise me like, hey my son, that trees never waste it, split timbers. According to our culture, when windy breaks some trees down, we can't use as a, you know, like timbers, or we can't use to build. So that one you can use as a source of firewood. I know even in Jamaica we try to share the same culture, maybe. So guys, let me know. So maybe I'll split firewood, this one that you see here. I'll get the money, I'll buy 1 bag of cement, 1 box of tiles, and then boom, you know. So that's how everything it is, and it wanna start raining. So let me check on other side. I give Muito some job, but he didn't finish up. I don't know what's the problem with Muito. I don't know for sure. So east to west, home is the best. This is what I'm calling home for my new subscriber. Nothing changed, but some improvements. We need rain, but when the rain it's come, it's affect everything. For us, we just cry like, hey, it hit this and that. But other places like Nairobi, Kibera, you know Kibera is found in Nairobi. So Kibera is one of the slums that we have here in Nairobi city. So when it's raining, people didn't sleep, you know. So let's see, guys. This cow is grazing here, very fantastic. You see, so even right now it's freezing. So guys, apart from that, all shenanigans that are going to our village, I bought some machine cuts right here, and it has 2 different way. Man, I didn't knew, man, this crazy. I didn't knew, man. You know, look, these are pure white. Look at this, the same like mine. Look, so we have two different ways, this and that, but I don't know which is strong, but I think the same because maybe these are new stock. I didn't knew, man. Look, huh? Or maybe they blackmail me, but there's no problem when they blackmail me, no problem. So I gave Mwita a job, but he did a halfway. So actually we have another machine cut right here. I don't know, maybe you can see it. You see that one right here, that's the machine cut from this group right here. So when I give Mwita, and Mwita, he tried to left my job. So you can see, guys, we have different types of machine cut. We have this color, we have this color. I don't know which is strong, which is fake. Me, I'm just flow with vibe the way it is. For sure. So guys, I'm trying to look the best way. When I get maybe around $200, it will finish up. You know, that's the cost of buying cement and labor money. I will finish on top. That one I have no pressure with it. Only $200. When I get any time, I'll start setting that house from scratch on top there, I mean, and then boom. Imagine the way I just work so hard. And also this is my brother's project right here. You can see this one. It's got to other side. He just rented this and then plant maize, you know. Wow. Only, guys, $200. You know where the house it's rich at the rental area, and then we finish the rental, so it needs some 3 layers on top, and then we say goodbye. And I'm not sure whether that machine cut it will finish up. I'm not sure, be honest, guys. I just bought 300 machine cut, no addition, but he just add me some broken pieces of the machine cut. I'm so speechless. So I bought 300, I have 200, that's 500. But again, I think, imagine even this one are shaking here. Look. Huh? These are shaking, man. What's up? But it's strong. So guys, let me go inside, I'll show you. I bought 300. It's my evidence on my videos. And then I have 200. So that's total number of 500 machine cuts. It's just like, you know, the roll, it's carried around 710. So the difference of that, it's 200. And we try to see whether it will push this house. My big aim is the money that I had, let me push buying this machine cut. Maybe by tomorrow, when I finish splitting those timbers, like cutting into small pieces, I'll start pushing this machine cut to other side. Because me, I'm tired with Mwita, because I don't want to push Mwita like Mwita do this, Mwita do that. Even me, I'm a man, I need to do other things. So this one, by tomorrow, I'll push the other side. So let's go inside and I'm gonna show you how things go. Woo. And now, guys, if you are building my village here, comment, sand are getting more expensive. Sand. Me by the time when I was buying this sand here, it was around 8,000. Now it goes to 10,000. So I think also, guys, not now, guys, you know, I'm just to predict something. Also, and maybe I get enough money, I'll add 2 tippers for the sand. Actually, for the plaster. You never know. Maybe tomorrow I should wake up, roofing 1 touch, and then we start plastering. You never know. You never know. You know. So the sand it's go at around 11,000 Kenyan shillings, addition of 3,000. So also on this side here we have the ballast stones. This one to help me to do some concrete slab on my mom's house, and then when it's remaining we shall see. Hey cow, what's up? Okay, let's go guys, let's go. So guys, let's go. It's drizzling, man, look. So, oh my. Even our hands, it's getting shelter right here. Washing clothes. So guys, yeah. Woo. Look here. Things are in a mess up. I don't believe, man. But one day we should have even our store. So I think this machine cut it will run outside 1 line and then it follow with that one right here. I don't know how this color will match, like this, that, look. But again, on top of there, we'll start plastering. You know, that one no pressure on it. So I just place it right here, and I have one mom from UK. She told me, hey my son, please make cleanness this side here, put firewood one side. I just put it the way it is. And also when you finish this firewood, this maize cob, it acts as a source of firewood. So my mama should just press it right here. But we have some hands came from outside passing there, come and push to other side. But right now you can see things are just okay. We have more timbers and I need to count these timbers. I don't think, hey, they just even bring some timbers which are not mine. You know, there's some implication of, you know, giving somebody timbers. During returning, they will return some different timbers which is not yours. Sometimes, guys, I wonder. Look, even this one are not mine. You see? But it's okay. You know, it's okay. So this one, it will help me. Hey, yeah, I think we need to break this machine cut. I think these timbers, it will help me when I'll start walling here. So the wall will never, you know, push to further end. The wall will start running where you see I'm placing timbers. You know, it's come here, right here, so it pass here. So just left where one person can pass, like going to other side, you know. So even I need to collect these timbers, we put aside because it has some nails. Imagine I buy the whole timbers of this house, but others are being cut into small pieces because other places like here, it needs some pieces. Look, right here we have some pieces. But the good thing is, my mom, one day found her cleaning this entire master bedroom. Right now it's not bushy, you can see. I'm trying, man. Even me, I personally pushing this house from scratch up the way it is. No joke. If I could be other people, I could take money and go and enjoy with some other friends outside there, looking for should I say, guys, if I could be other people maybe who don't know what's life, who don't know where he came from, I could maybe take that money, go and look some beautiful ladies outside there enjoying, and 1, 2, 3. At the end of the day, I came with nothing, but I'm trying to build my mom's dream house, and then when I finish this, I'll just settle like 2.5 years, and then maybe next I will build my own house, because even me, I need to have my own space, like my own privacy home, where I could maybe come from outside of the world, staying in my own home. I don't want to push my brothers and sisters, I need even me to have, not now, guys, not now. Who knows? Only God. Yeah, even this one we need to push them. So let me climb on top of that house, and then we shall see how things go. It's been long, man. Let's see. I should be very careful. Guys, for sure, I can't wait the day when we try to push. I don't know if this 300 machine cut will finish up. I don't know. For sure, I have no idea. Hey. But when it will finish up, I'll be very happy. But again, when it's not finished up, I will pause and then look for other steps. But I think if maybe there's some remaining spaces, it's only like, let me say 100 machine cuts, that one. On top here, hey, it's a crazy. So here, look, from that corner, right there, we go to that corner. From that corner, we come to this corner, and then from that corner to this corner, and then up to this corner. So that's how this house is. Look by yourself. Look by yourself. Watch out. Man, this is implication of YouTube. I'm not employed. I'm not scamming anyone money. These are pure hardworking implication of YouTube. And then now we have solid subscribers outside there who sometimes see my hardworking, and then people support my hardworking. I'm telling you, dream are valid. Me, I'm pure-hearted, guys, and I'm just be honest. I'm not scam anyone money. I'm not, like for now people are calling for us like, you are Freemason, Illuminati. These are not Illuminati. This is not an AI. This is a real story, implication of YouTube, and I'm trying to show my family from day one up to nowadays. Who knows? Everybody knows how many kids we are in our home, we know my parents, that's my mom, we know my sister, we know my brother, we know me, we know where I came from. So if it could be Freemason, I could be build this house within 1 week to finish everything. But we just believe in God, and we trust our process day by day, and we build, man. Africa, pole pole, pole pole. I know for other people will say, oh hello baby, nowadays your construction is going slowly slowly. You have some history. The way I built this house, with one touch up to the ringtone, with non-stop. My big aim is to build this house from the foundation up to the ringtone. I pause, I just go quick and fast, and then I just left the way it is. It gets, when the rain come on top, it gets more concrete rather than harassing things, building like poor, and then at the end of the day we get some losses. So yeah, look, I feel like, man, I'm flying. I'm flying, man. The young man from even I don't know how can I say, I don't know how can I maybe express myself. A young man from the handman to build. For the reasons this house is too small. But again, take that diagonal from that corner. We come this way to this corner. Look. Slowly. Pole. To that. For my mom, this is the best. Even me. Wait, Brisha! There's one small boy cutting some trees right there. I don't know if you can see right there, wearing white shirt right there. So guys, when I see this house, I feel like, man, I'm trying my best. Even you people, you know my story. If I'm lying, hey, comment. Look, this place is very deep. When we are taking the measurement of this house, I think the house will pass on these stones right here, right there. But and even we reduced this house, it was so big, it got to further end of the maze of my brother right there. From that to that, maybe in the future I'll build my own house, the biggest house. It will take time, but one day I'll push it and I will finish up. Imagine buying the whole house timbers, and then we have that one. It's something crazy. It's simply because other timbers, it gets into small pieces. So guys, I don't know when I'll start. I don't know when I will resume back on this construction site to resume back. I don't know. I have no idea. But when I get money anytime, even tomorrow, I should resume back. And then I'll finish the headache part. I'm remaining with roofing. And then when I'm saying roofing, it's when the sketching of timbers, and then we fix iron sheets. Iron sheets is the most headache part, but by God's grace everything will work out the way it is. And I never see like some pillars bending or some ringtone bending, because give it time. Look, it need window, it need doors, it need ceiling board, it need tiles, it needs to be paint, it needs to buy new furniture. I don't want, maybe me, like when I build a new house, even the furniture, we should buy new furniture for my mom, like couches, some bed, table, everything new on this house. The old stuff would just remaining outside, and when I build other rooms to other side for my brother, because there are two, they will take one like one set of the coach, and then will take another set of the coach, and then boom. Ta-da-da-da. So guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate. We shall meet on the next videos. Stay tuned. Look at that house, man. Hide and roof. Okay. Let's go. And guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel and let me know what you think about on today's vlog. So I'm heading to Border Town. I wanna do 1, 2, 3. I wanna do 1, 2, 3. The rain is coming anytime from this side. So man, this is crazy. Wow. I see a lot of sacks of maize on the other side right there. Okay. Let's go. Border Town for you. That's V-Power Shed right here. Oh man. Let's go. That's oh. That's Nyamira. Ano? Ito yung korokor.
Yeah.
Uy, nakon.
Oh.
Eh. So guys. Okay, hindi nga rin yung tabi ko na. So guys, this is Border Town for you. What's happening here day by day? Watu wanaripoti huku, mambo ni mengi. Sister, Tombo. Right guys. Let's go. Okay Manu, let's go. Twende. So guys, this is one of my friend here. Niko how taste iko inyoro hiyo.
Pani yani je ukora kazi nitime tu tu karama.
Eh, nachukua tu maziwa. We taste tukisikia. So guys, these two bank right here, Cooperative and Equity. Man, this is crazy. I'm just back with another new videos, new energy. Actually, I'm filming in Border Town, as you can see right here, and also on this side here. Super amazing. This is a mosque. If you are a Muslim, that's a mosque right here. Mr. Nyabigabo. Hey, that's Haria. And that's how Tanzanian vehicle looks like. Live on the KK. So guys, I want to buy some small shopping right here for my mom. That's some mango right here, oranges. Maha. KW what? Okay. So guys, I bought this from the shop. Hey, come on. So man, tell him you guys have guys, before I get out, I was watching my videos right now here. This is my latest videos. So actually for my premiere again, just flow with vibe. So I had the tuk-tuk, it's coming. The way it is. So that's my videos right there. It's playing. And I'm heading outside. Finally, Muita have been arrived. You know. So let's check how things go. I should take the key from this side here. So guys, no Bruno, now you're in your house, you wanna enjoy. That's Bruno for you. So there is one of my subscribers said, why do you call your dog Bruno? And there is one of your friend living near, one of your friend brothers known as Bruno. Please change the name. Even without going to one of my friends' home, I never knew his home. I would normally call my dog the way it is. And if you want to change my dog's name, you change. Muita, weka pale. So this is Muita for you. I was looking you in the morning.
Hi guys, I'm Muita too. As you are seeing me,
First, let me pay you your money. How much? 200.
300.
300 you didn't do a lot of job. No. Take this.
I also.
No.
Oh man. I also.
No.
The beguns.
You put the beguns and the firewood. Mama clean here and the inside.
Never. Uliza mama. Mimi ndo
Ngwagere ndani.
Ndani ni madhi. Lakini hapa ni mimi.
When uliweka
siafu ziliniuma mbaya mbovu hapa bana.
Okay, just eat that one and we sort. Ama fanya hivi. Ngoja nikutunzi kifika 1500 juchukue. Tutakuwa tuna count.
Nichukue nilikuwa na faa.
Guys, he want to open the business. I told him I just saving for you money until when it reach 2000.
It's tomorrow. I'm going to naenda kuwapatia pesa leo. Kesho nichukue.
How much those, we talk about the hooves. We call it hooves for the cow. Yes, hooves for the cow. Yeah. So he want to open the soup here. Yeah. How much did it cost you to open?
It's 1,500.
1,500. Yeah. What if you do here to
already I have 500.
You have 500?
So I need from you 1,000. Assist me 500. Today you are going to pay me when I get those. Okay. Let's do this. We bring the machine cut inside. Yep.
And then I pay you the money 300, remaining 200. You need from me 500, right?
Yeah, today.
Today,
Yeah.
you have 1,000.
Yeah.
So you come early in the morning. I show people what you want to take. I'll give you that money.
I'm going
but
to
you...
pay today because there is
Utalipa?
people, kuna watu tunaenda na wewe, kuna watu wana order mapema ili kesho unaenda tu nikuchukua.
I swear in God, Mwita, if you didn't pay that money,
We are going with you and you'll see me paying them.
You need the 500.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll see whether nitaona kitu nitapata nitakupa.
Yeah.
Aya, I need that new machine card you put right here.
Even I was working. I need your.
Okay, there is key here, Mwita, open.
Nimepata na nili wako.
Nani?
Ile fundi.
Richie.
Anasema muongelesha.
Oh, there is some key here, Mwita, open. I need that old machine to be fixed here. That new one. I give you the key.
Ona vile nilifanya usafi bana.
Safi gani?
Kuni nikatoa viguzi nikaumwa siafu mbaya mbovu.
Oh, there is some safari ant here.
Bana.
Oh, sorry. So Mwita, even these timbers, nataka hizi mbao ziende kwa room ya chini, si leo.
Hapana, hizi si aziendi pale. Nataka nikushauri siku tutajenga ile banda kuleta viti. Tukiweka viti ile nafasi na baki, tunaziingiza hapa.
Maybe somebody will steal my timbers from there. Akiwa utazitoa pale. Uziweke juu ya block. Tatora mbona block kwa? Si nimekupa ufunguo. Yeah guys, I don't want to mix new new stock for the machine cut with old. No, this is some continuation videos. I want to go to Mabera.
You want to go to Mabera?
Yeah, I'm rushing. Nimekupa ufunguo Mwita.
Mimi niende nipe mangana.
Sawa, nitakuachia. Tutaenda
mlipe.
umlipe.
Mke wako nikimaliza anipe pesa. Bro.
The way it is, guys. No, Mwita, hapa hamna kazi. Just put the machine cut there. So there's some ballast here. Hey man, I'm telling you. Yeah, I'm trying my best to give Mwita a job here and there, right, left, center. At least he can feed their family. Yeah, I don't want to eat alone. You know, hata kulima Mwita maji yataenda humu.
Uria ngone. Nataka matafari yakae vizuri.
Matafari wewe weka hapa tu. Ukilima maji yataenda humu. Yeah, I'm trying to think to put here. So guys, when I get the money, anytime I want to start building this house, the remaining courses on top. Yep. Okay. Mwita, do it. Yeah.
I'm doing it.
Unataka kumata shida hayo.
Asina toa hizo ndio zikaliane vizuri. Unajua hizo vitu ni
Guys, we have 200 right here. That's 300, that's 500. We push the house.
300.
I think 300 plus 200, 500. You can build your house.
My small, like a Bruno's house.
Not Bruno. One day you build.
Bring me the key.
What? Utayamaliza.
Mimi? Haya namaliza bro.
Okay, do it.
Wewe ona, nataka nikimaliza.
Nikola usi.
Ndio nilipe mangana. Ili kesho nikienda mimi nikuchukua tu. Tunaongea na yeye. Nimepambana nimepata kahera kidogo. So jana nimekutafuta nimalize hii kazi. Ukanipanga ukulienda ukurudi.
Yeah, I'm back now. Even in the morning I was looking you. You know I'm so busy. Even spend time with you. It's so limit. Put here one block with. Put this old machine, guys. Machine cut, I mean. You see how it stay here for the quite long time. If it's not, you know, yeah, just like that.
This is new.
Yeah, this is new. You can see the color, and then between right here, even here, it showed up. Yeah. Guys, I have some memory. I'm just around meat. I have some memory. People buy the whole 2 kg of meat. I think even it's 3 kg. Poison. If you want to poison my dog, I don't know. Maybe he or she, they want to poison my dog. They put right here. Utayamaliza?
That's what happens.
Oh, it's because you need money, man. Wankuhira kundigi sana, juu mkianza kuyajenga mtatengeneza mabunda. So hii mabunda itakuwa kwa ndani. Wewe weka hapo juu yale atakuwa ndani.
Sawa sasa.
Yeah.
Mimi kitu nataka. Najua utakawia kuja na
mimi. Niko hapa siende hadi malize.
Awaachie nani?
Until you finish, me I'm around here. Tomorrow. And hey, you want to do like last time? I pay you money, you run. Helter skelter.
Wewe tu ndo unajua wewe ndo unanicheleweshaga ikazi.
Yeah. Yeah, you put 10 line. Yes, that's 10 times 3. You get 300. 10. Lolo. Guys, you see? From Nyabohans up to here, and it took a lot of money. I spent it a lot. You know, loading, offloading, you know, I paid 2 tuk-tuk. And then they put right here. Because we need to count on this side. Even when the boss came, he can see just over here. And now I want to put inside our compound. So maybe sometime people will stall in. I don't know when I will get... Oh, man. Hey, I block my camera. But it is what it is. Oh, my God. I just block it. The handle. And this is what feed my family. Guys, sorry. Don't mind. It's only this we called screw. You know. Even my handle, it just, you know, fed. Yeah. Renguzu nanko koseka perembe muche mhagache mararusi. Kamuta utuni joburo. Renguzu nanko. So you eat from me 400 moita. Si unanikula pole pole si.
It's good, bro. You know you are my.
You know how I save you
uncle.
here and there.
No,
Hey.
even you are saving me too. So let's do what?
So the reason why I put this machine cut here, for example, if my client want to come at my home, and or maybe the boss where I bought this, he can see the stock right here. And I don't want, you know, like him, oh, this and that. No, I'm not such kind of people. Muta, do you manage? Utamaliza?
Mimi hata ikibaki kidogo.
Lakini sasa unajua,
lakini nitahakikisha hata 200 zimeingia. Hata ikibaki so nitamaliza kesho, bro. You know.
People will steal.
And never.
I'm telling you.
Nego haraka hiyo iko aje tu. We know steal.
Yani nkyo sana jongo sokia maine watu kwa kugahenya. Niko tora asarana na uwa.
Kila mara tora asarana.
So guys, here you know they try to mix. This is 6x9, this is 5x9. You see? Kuna madogo hapo. Ume ya block. Suka kupita na mchanga mtapita hapi na wiriba.
Wiriba tutapita tu. Sasa ni tumeshaji.
Mtoko mnachanganyia hapa. Sawa. Sawa. No problem.
Yeah, man.
Do it, Mwita.
I'm doing it. Wait. Natoa mnarudisha.
I want to see whether even you can take 250. Huh? I want to see if you can, you know, deliver some 250. Remaining 50 there. Plus those pieces.
Ika kan kono mpaka buje buire. Unajua nataka niane nipate yule jamaa. Patie do. Mangana wapo boki.
Sasa kesho utakuja saa ngapi kuyamaliza?
Mimi nikishaeleza niwaachie wife. Mimi naenda na sasa nakuja kumaliza ya wife anaendelea na mambo yake. Tena tunajenga banda pale.
Sige tutafutane.
Bado tuko na banda la kujenga pale mimi na wewe.
Nataka hizi vitu zitoke hapa watu wasije kuniba. Unaona ni kidogo.
Hizi ni kidogo kwangu.
And I use like 300 USD to buy that machine cart. Imagine, you know, transport plus buying that machine cart, it will cost me a lot of money, and I feel like, man, it's just like I wanna buy the whole lorry. It's because I didn't have, you know, enough cash on my pocket, and I just run on this. You know? Even me, I'm not sure where this machine cart will finish up. I'm not sure, but I'm trying to push day by day. You know, pole. Building from 0. And reason number 1 is I just build the what you call the rinto. You see the fire right there. Right guys, let me left Mwita to do his own job, and you know, most of the time I just work with them, him and their friends. It's probably like I paused this construction, I think from if you watch Kinley, I stopped in December. By I think at the end of February we resumed to those pillars, front porch and back porch, and then dining, and then I pause. But again, it's slowly. Yeah, no pressure, no competition, no nothing. I just build from scratch. But I thank God, man. You know, raising the house up to there, it's hard. Even foundation, if you want to build your house, you just prepare enough money for foundation. Foundation is the house. And raising the house, just quick and fast. But again, when you reach at the steel bar section, I just, you know, feel like, should I give up? But you people, you try to motivate me like, hey, my son, build. And I build it. Even I'm taking some, you know, I think 800 Kenyan shillings. I didn't finish up paying the boss who sold this machine cards. I'm running with 1,000, but I'm going to pay 800. So Mwita, me, I'm going. I just left you where you reach at least
That's my work.
You reach here, you know, ukisukuma yafike hapa.
Si hapo,
Huko. Utafika wapi?
Nafikiri mimi.
So you reach here?
Here.
And then let me count. We count how many numbers of machine cut left.
Count from here.
I think 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Why? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 times 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 28. Here they are. It's around 56, 57. You know, 57. Okay, no problem. Up to it 57. 57 plus 28. Guys, 57 plus 28. It will come around 86. You know, 5, 7 plus 28. 57 plus 28. 85. With up to here, it's 85. All right. Yeah. Up to it 85. 85 plus oh my god, plus 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 times 1 2 3, that's 21. 85 plus 21, that's will be around 106. You know, 106. 106 plus 1 2 3, that's 109. So Mwita, ukitoa mpaka hapa, si utatoa kwa hii line hapa? Si hii?
Nitatoa mpaka kwa hii.
Hii utatoa hii na hii ama
hii? Sorry.
Ona, utatoa uende hivi. Ndio nimepiga hesabu.
Okay, sawa.
Acha nikuweke kiblock. Unaona? Lakini hii line usitoe. Hii utoe hivi. So ukitoa mpaka hapa ya baki, itakuwa imebaki 106.
106 ni dakika kidogo.
Yeah, it's good. I have that, you know, the number of machine cards that left here, instead of, you know, like even this is a halfway, but just okay. Yeah, it's good. I have those number on my head rather than losing up my machine cards. I don't waste your time. Me, I'm around. Yeah. I'm going right now as we speak here. Yeah, we shall go at night. Simuita anachomaga mitura. Tutaenda hata kwake. Hey, no pressure on that. Even I didn't count these timbers. I should count my timbers. Hata isi yangu. Tomorrow, I'll do some calculation of these timbers. You know. I'll do it. I should do it by tomorrow. I should, for sure. These timbers are not enough. I'm supposed to be very keen. So that's 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. It's okay, you put kasa. At least that's new stock, old stock right here. But when it starts by building, we should start from here. And then like chuguru. Anyway, this is a continuation of the videos of tomorrow. Maybe you'll find it at the end of the videos. Maybe, man. Alright, Mwita, you do it when I will be back. Yeah, ni pesa naacha hapo.
Njoo muonyeshe penye nitafika nipe.
Wewe fanya, utafika hata ni mtu mzima umeona. Mimi sitaki kucommand. I'm telling Mwita, I don't want to stand Mwita doing work. I don't want to command him. You just do it whether you can do it. Your money left here 400.
Yeah.
Aye.